how to log in into Verizon Visa Card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to Verizon Visa Card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is search for Verizon Visa Card login on your web browser. After you search for that, you'll find the website by String Crony. So you can head over there. So you can head over to the first website as well, that is verizonvisacard.syf, which will basically take you to the same place. So what you'll now need to do is to sign in. Tap on this sign in option. And again, it'll take you to another page. And yeah, that's basically your login page. Now, as I said, these two are the same place. So you can tap on either link and you'll be on the registration, the login page. So type in your username here or your user ID, whichever they ask, and then your password. After you do that, you can also tap on this remember username or user ID option, which is basically optional, but yeah, tap on secure login after that and you're logged in into your account. And that's how easy it is. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.